Hey guys, welcome to my channel and happy Vlogmas day 13. For today's video, we're doing a maintenance video, which I'm so happy about because I cannot wait to get all dolled and freshed up again and feel like me. Yeah, y'all, let's get into this video. Okay guys, this is the wig. But yeah, I just need to, I'm gonna wash this out with shampoo, and then I'm gonna go in conditioner through the hair. I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you mess around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I love you like this, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's ex, how I get here. I love you like this, I still love you. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love. Hey guys, so I'm gonna try something different. I think I'm gonna try a middle part with like a dramatic side bangs. So let's see how that looks. Okay, that's kind of better. Okay, let's see what this lace is looking like. I kind of fucked it up on this side. I just need some tweezers and I can fix it. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can kind of like tell the difference, but on this side I plucked all the extra glue and stuff. I haven't done this side, but that's why it was like that. Like I had put way too much glue. Now that I think about it, I need to do my toes, so maybe I can do my toes and then wax my face and then do my nails. You know murder's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the bottom, I get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a phase, man, right now on vacation. Now you lay your face down, I'll be saying over happy. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I'll be in there just to tell me there's a plan. I just want you. And you know what will his new girlfriend's ex, how I get here. I make you my best, I still love you. Rather be in jail than alone. I did it all for love, I did it all on no drugs, I did all of. Y'all, I'm literally obsessed. I did a freestyle on me. I didn't even look up inspo pics this time. I literally just kind of went with it. I knew I wanted something pink, and I thought adding white would be cute as well. So I also went ahead and did that. But let me show you guys how the nail set turned out. Y'all, look at that. She is cute. She is giving. I slayed, I did it. Look, that's so cute, y'all. So this is honestly, I feel like, well, no, I'm probably gonna end up changing my set for the New Year's, but let me see what day it is. I think I still have it's the 13th, so I still have about almost 2 weeks, at least with this set, to see how I hold up with these big charms and test it for other people and my rhinestones and stuff like that. My client should be here in 30 minutes, so I'm about to clean and stuff, and then I think I'm kind of gonna do my hair just a little bit, and then like that's really it, y'all. Like as you can see, hair is laid. It's been laid. I took the wig band off. And also, I don't think I showed you guys my toes, but look at the toes. I'm honestly
So happy that I decided to go ahead and do them, because like they literally did not grow out, y'all. I literally just took the white off and like did the French tip, and that was it, and they look like a new set on a bitch. So yeah. Okay guys, so I bumped like my bangs or whatever. They look so cute. Giving. I still need to go in with concealer to darken my middle part too. But anyways, y'all see, I'm obsessed with my nails, y'all. This is probably my favorite set on me, to be honest, because I really ate. And then the toes, y'all. The toes are giving. I like the way this hairstyle looks too, with the straight and these like little short bangs right there. I like how it shows my face again, because I honestly miss my face. But I have a client low-key that's about to come, so I'ma just like tune in. Okay guys, so that's really the video. I feel so much better, y'all. I feel like that bitch. And to be honest, I think what it really was my brows. My brows just really needed done, and it wasn't giving. I really like this new little hairstyle I did with these like shorter bangs in the front, like curtain bangs. I think that's super cute, and it's giving. I can't wait to like do my makeup and style this, y'all, and make it look cute. But I'm obsessed with my nails, y'all. They're so cute. But thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next Vlogmas, and bye.